Hello everyone, my name is Michael Case, and I'm here to tell you about some of my design choices that relate to Gestalt's theory that were utilized in the making of my infographic. First, let's talk about his rule of similarities. Basically, the rule of similarities means you keep things that are similar in nature together in the infographic. It helps with the human brain. I'll show you a few of the examples here in my infographic. One is this top section. It's actually delineated by the background of the watermark thing that I put in here. And that is coupled with the lines in my graph up top to really give that first section, the first area that you're going to look at, the real meat and potatoes of the infographic. This also correlates to the tall and straight images in these icons of people here, here, and also the water bottle that looks tall and skinny and straight. These all capture an organization from similarities up in the top section. Now, there are other similarities in here that I kept together, i.e. the plastic symbol down here, the pie chart down here, the globe down here. These were all kept in the left-hand side to create structure and similarities and grouped them together. Thirdly, I'd like to talk a little bit about keeping some similarities with the type of icons that are in the infographic. Right here, where it says my large number, next to it is another large grouping of letters. This really separates all of the information from the top and the bottom. So you really have a contrast to know where those things are separate. So you know that the top is about population and the bottom is about the plastics themselves. I really tried to apply that during this whole concept, and even at the bottom, but I did run out of a little room. I had to manage the icons a little bit. But secondly, I applied the rule of continuity. Up here in the top, I started out with a matching description of the rising world populations and increasing ocean plastics by estimating the amount of per day use of plastics per capita and showing the connection there at the very top with the increase in world population. Now, this also happens because lower you talk about how much plastic and the disposal of plastics and then where they're from. So from the very get-go, the rule of continuity happens very quickly. As you start reading this, you'll find out that the end is a zero waste flow chart right down here that can show you how to stop wasting. And so it starts to finish. It's got real good continuity and there's not a lot of interruption, which helps the human brain. Thank you for all listening, and please feel free to contact me with any questions or comments.